Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by inspecting the screw and surrounding material so you know what you're dealing with. Pick a left-hand drill bit or extraction set size to the stripped head. Once done, clear debris and apply penetrating oil, then wait 10-15 minutes to let it seep into threads. You should protect nearby surfaces with tape or a backing plate so when you apply torque the part doesn't deform. Use a center punch to give a pilot for the drill bit and prevent wandering. You drill a centered pilot hole at low speed, about 1/3 to 1/2 the screw's diameter, because a precise hole prevents splitting or further damage. Once the hole is clean, insert the tapered extractor and turn counterclockwise with a tap wrench or locking pliers. The taper bites and backs the screw out. Make sure to apply steady, increasing torque rather than jerks. If the extractor slips, stop, re-drill slightly larger, or apply heat. You finish by cleaning the tapped hole with a brush, removing any burrs, and installing a proper replacement screw of the correct size and grade so threads hold. If the extractor breaks off, you can try a left-hand drill to catch and rotate out the remaining shaft, or drill completely out and retap. Only escalate to aggressive removal after weighing risk to the part. For fragile or high-value components, stop and consult a machine shop, or consider welding a stud for safe extraction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.